Yo, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install this Android deck in your Odyssey minivan. So this is the original Honda Odyssey factory radio. Over here we have the Metra kit that I painted a gloss black with a Windows CE unit installed. So this is the unit that we're actually going to be replacing. So that's a Windows unit, and we're going to be replacing it with this guy here. This is an Android unit with a much larger screen. I think here we have 6-inch, and then over here we have 10. So we're going to fit this guy here into this one here, and that was the original. So there we go, a little bit of Honda Odyssey van upgrade action happening here. Okay, so we're going to take the old deck out, just undo the screws on the side. Okay, now hopefully this bad boy with the big screen fits inside here. Let's find out. Okay, seems to be sliding in. Okay, so basically we'll pop some screws in the side here, and we'll pop the tablet on the front. Did some measurements just to see how far back I needed to set it. Okay, so we got most of our wires pre-run. We're going to put this big bad boy here up into the position of the dash and have an Android upgrade. Ta-da! Alright, let's get to the wiring. Okay, so here we have it. The install is complete. We have it on radio mode. This is what your home screen looks like here. So we also have Spotify, Prime Video, YouTube Kids, Google, Insteon, YouTube, regular YouTube, I guess. Voice search or Equalizer. The Equalizer is pretty cool here. So this is your Equalizer setup, and if you press zone and you've hooked up a subwoofer, it actually gives you subwoofer level control here, which is really nice, and then loud control as well. Click this EQ and you're back to your regular EQ mode. Okay, so that's what your EQ looks like. Back here to the home screen again. So if you want to listen to Spotify, you click on your Spotify, YouTube, etc. When you are watching any of the videos, it does output to the rear screens, which is really nice. Actually, everything outputs to the rear screen, so if you're using the radio, it outputs as well. There's also some internal memory here, which is nice. I did hook up the Honda steering wheel controls, so if I hit volume here, you can see it controls the volume. And then if I hit channel, it'll switch through the radio stations as well. So that's always nice to have, to be able to use your factory steering wheel controls with the Android unit. Also, as a little bit of a surprise bonus, I did receive a reverse camera, so of course we hooked that up. So I'll just show you that here. Okay, so that is our reverse cam. It's got the lines on it too, which is really nice. Okay, and then when you put it back in park, boom, it goes right back to the home screen again. Alright, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button if you liked what you saw. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.